With Apple Watch mirroring on your iPhone, you can use many of the accessibility features available on your iPhone to control your Apple Watch. Apple Watch mirroring provides the following. The mirrored Apple Watch screen is significantly larger than that of the Apple Watch itself. The mirrored watch screen can be tapped using the same hand that wears the watch. An iPhone has more advanced accessibility features than an Apple Watch, such as voice control and switch control. Users can control their watches using voice commands, sound actions, head tracking, and external switches. In order to use Apple Watch mirroring, you need to have an Apple Watch 6, 7, or 8 running watchOS 9 or later, and your iPhone needs to be running iOS 16 or later. To turn on Apple Watch mirroring, open Settings on your iPhone and tap on Accessibility. Select Apple Watch mirroring. Toggle the switch to turn it on. To interact with the mirrored image on your iPhone, most of the Apple Watch gestures work as you might expect in the mirrored Apple Watch display. You can use the following gestures. To press the digital crown or side button, just tap on them. You can scroll up and down and swipe left and right. You can press and hold the digital crown to use Siri. When you're done, just tap the X. For more Apple Watch tips and tricks, subscribe to the Mac Reports YouTube channel.